Hey there YouTube! Welcome back to another episode of Chad Fixes All, and in this video we're going to be replacing the windshield wipers on this Nissan Altima. I picked up these windshield wipers off of Amazon. I will have the link in the description, and yeah, this is a 2010, should be similar for all models like this, but let's go ahead and jump right into it and start taking off those wipers. So we're going to work on the driver's side first. Take off the old wiper, just pull up that tab and slide towards the driver's side of the vehicle. That's going to pull out of that J hook there and then simply come off. I'm going to do the same thing on the passenger side here. Pull up on that tab, slide towards the driver's side, and take that one off. Now these are the wipers that I ended up picking up. They're the Rain-X Fusion, a 28-inch and a 17-inch. It's similar to the ones that were on there currently, but just needed a replacement. I also like these because they have that coating on them that helps the rain come off as well. So to reinstall, just pull that tab up, push down, and slide the wiper arm into the hole. And then once it snaps in there, you want to slide towards the passenger side of the vehicle. In my case, that little clip broke off, or didn't break off, but fell off. I'm just going to slide it back into place here. Let's for the snap in, and we're going to snap that down in there to securely fasten it. Same thing with the passenger side. I had a little bit easier time putting that one on. I didn't knock that clip off, and then push down the clip. After that, we just want to remove the little sheathing from both sides. And let's go ahead and give it a test. Now while I'm testing it, if this video helped you out at all, make sure to scroll down and put a like on the video. Maybe subscribe to my channel. And like I said, these are in the description. You can click on the links and you can get them yourself, these Rain-X Fusion wipers. I would really recommend them. It worked out great. And thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it.